see. Kitty, kitty? Yeah. Talking these things up, so let's see what's in here.
Don't be mad at me if I laugh that there's not a lot. Oh, they're rolling out everywhere.
I think we did alright.
I think you did pretty good. A lot more than what you think, you know what I mean, in that bucket.
That was a seed potato. What are those? Huh?
The ball. The ball.
These ones would be good for
Not a ball, it's a potato.
potato.
No!
You can't throw it? No.
You stink bomb?
The ball.
You're so crazy.
No, don't throw them.
I say quite a bit.
Bad.
Okay, look at the camera and smile, you know you're happy.